What's going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to show you how to replace an iPhone X screen the best way that I found and the quickest and easiest. So to start off, we're just going to take out these pencil lobe screwdrivers, or pencil lobe screws on the bottom of the phone. We're going to set those aside, grab our iSesame, and just pry around that edge. Make sure you don't dig in too deep. There are connectors under there that are very fragile. I'm talking paper thin fragile. You do not want to mess with them. So you guys just want to keep prying and prying. Be careful though, you don't have to put too much force into it. We just want to separate the screen from the adhesive that is holding it to the mid frame. And like I said, don't go far at all, especially on this right side. That's where most of the cables are, but on the left side we don't want to go too far either. You can use the top left to actually pry away from the screen, I found, and that'll help it loosen up and pop up as well. Alright, so now we're just going to grab our triangle screwdriver and unscrew the 5 mid-plate screws. And we're just going to set those in the same order they came in because they are different sizes. They do need to go back where they came. So we're just going to set those aside for now, and be very careful. Hold the screen vertical at like a 90-degree angle to the mid frame. We're going to take that mid plate off, and we're going to use a plastic spudger to unplug the battery. Make sure you are only unplugging the battery and just getting the connector, not the actual connector soldered to the board. And now we're going to unplug the Face ID. Be very careful. This is one of the most fragile parts of the phone. Then we're going to unplug the LCD connector and the Digi connector. And then after we do that, we can go ahead and separate the display from the phone. Make sure you actually dislodge the Face ID connector from the board. It is held in with some adhesive. So now we're just going to grab our triangle screwdriver and just unscrew these 3 screws that are holding down the ear speaker assembly and Face ID assembly. On that middle one, there is a little grounding bracket, I guess, and we're going to flip it open like a book. This is very fragile, be very careful. We're going to use our tweezers to dislodge the ear speaker while still holding on to that top part. And then I like to do it this way. I'll actually just pull up that whole little bracket that holds it all in place, and then I'll dislodge it from the bracket. Some people will take it out of the bracket that's in the screen, but I find it a lot easier to do it this way. And now we can put that screen aside and grab our new one. We're going to take the tape or whatever is on the back of this new display off. We're going to grab our ear speaker and Face ID assembly. We're going to go ahead and snap it in place like it was on the old screen. It should just snap in there like we're going to use this middle. We're going to do the middle one first, and I'm just putting that little grounding bracket on the screw, and then I am tightening it to make sure it stays in place, you know. And we're going to do that with the other 2. Alrighty, and now we're going to push that Face ID connector in. It snaps it just like a Lego. You don't have to be too hard on it. Just be careful with these. You'll be able to feel it when it goes in. I've been doing this for a long time, but you'll know when it's on. And I just like to use a plastic spudger for that one because it's kind of in like a little dugout on the motherboard. Just snap it in place, and then we can go ahead and put that last middle bracket on there. Take the 5 screws and just put them back in where they came from. And about the Face ID. Face ID, that is one of the most crucial parts of this phone. I practiced on a couple of iCloud locked one of these a while back, and Face ID was actually something that we had an issue with. So now we're just going to test it all out after we put it back together. Looks like it's booting up great, and then we're just going to reassemble that screen, push it back in place, and we're good to go. And then we're going to put those last bottom Pentalobe screwdriver, or Pentalobe screws in with our Pentalobe screwdriver. And then after it's booted, it's ready to go back to the customer. See you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed.